Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Republicans and Democrats in Congress want to cut off foreign countries' access to crude oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve after China, India and others bought up barrels that some lawmakers said should have stayed home. Profits slid at Wall Street's biggest banks in the third quarter as they braced for a weaker economy, while investment banking was hit hard, but investors saw a silver lining with some banks beating estimates. Bank of Japan Deputy Governor Masazumi Wakatabe said the yen's recent fluctuations were clearly too rapid and too one-sided, signalling caution over the potential economic damage from the currency's slump to 32-year lows against the dollar. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 1.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.8% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. Italy's consumer price index at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 0430 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.